A few poles in the vineyard that are not very good. So what I've done is I've just unhooked the wire and I can lift it out because it literally is busted at the bottom here. And I happen to have a drill handy with a great big auger. Oh God, that's powerful. Okay. Then I'm using these ecotrellis posts to put them in. They've got holes in the side, pre-drilled, ready to go. And you need to get it in a little bit harder, further than that. So I have a handy mash hammer. When I get it in the required distance, I'm simply going to put a bit of cement in there, and then I'll come up with the plug-in plastic care clips, and we've replaced the pole. It's all fairly simple, relatively quick. Just don't break your wrist. I think we're done.